Now here we got a really good cat, Silver. And Silver is born in 2010. So that makes her... How old are you, Silver? Hi. You're at least, I think, 12 years old. Is that right? 12 years old. And she's not really a mouse at all. She'll look at a mouse and just watch him, which is pretty cute. And she was abused. I know that. And she's never really known how to be a cat. You know, like mousing, and she's not really an outdoor cat. But she has been outside all day today. But it is 33 degrees. And it is midsummer, so. And her name is Silver, as I said. She's got silver paws. Sometimes they look silver. She's got silver on the tips of her hair. And she's not really that friendly. But she's pretty friendly to me. She comes over and she likes to get patted. And but she's really a real sweet cat. Really a sweet cat.